बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम फातिमा सलीम है। मेरा ताल्लुक़ गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स डिग्री कॉलेज बराखातीन स्टूडेंट बहावलपुर से है। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है इजिप्शियन आर्ट। हमारा आज फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के साथ फोर्थ लेक्चर है। फोर्थ लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे इजिप्शियन आर्ट। द इजिप्शियन पिरामिड्स आर एंशिएंट पिरामिड्स शेप्ड masonry structures located in Egypt as number or 2008 source city, either 118 or 138 as the number of identified Egyptian pyramids most were built as tombs for the country pharaohs and their consorts during the Old and Middle Kingdom periods. The earliest known Egyptian pyramids are found at Saqqara, northwest of Memphis, Alauthor. At least one step pyramids like structure has been found at Saqqara, dating on the first dynasty Mastabas 3808, which has been attributed to the region of Paharo and Egypt with inscriptions and other archaeological remains of the pyramid suggestion there may have been other. The otherwise earliest among these is the pyramids of Djoser village c. 2630 to 2610 BC. During the third dynasty, this pyramid and its surrounding complex are generally uh, considered to be the world's oldest monumental structures. Construction of dressed masonry. The most famous Egyptian pyramids are those found at Giza on the outskirts of Cairo. Several of the Giza pyramids are counted among the largest structures ever built. The Pyramid of Khufu is the largest Egyptian pyramid. It is the only one of the seven wonders of the ancient world still in existence. नेक्स्ट हमारा है हिस्ट्रिकल डेवलपमेंट. The design of the Egyptian pyramid seems to have been progressed from the Sumerian ziggurat, a stepped pyramid structure with a temple on top, which dated to as early as 4000 BC, 4000 say 3500 BC. From the time of the early dynastic period, 35 first 2686 BC, Egyptians with sufficient means were buried in bench like structures known as mastabas at Saqqara. Mastaba 38,008, dating from the later part of the first dynasty, was discovered to contain a large independently built step pyramid like structures enclosed within the outer place of face mastaba. Next हमारा है art of ancient Egyptian remains. Egyptian art suggest the hair of the been other similar structures modern Egypt. See contemporary art in Egypt. Ancient Egyptian art refers to part produced in ancient Egypt between the 31st century BC and the 4th century AD. Includes paintings, sculptures, drawings on papyrus, fancy jewelry, various architecture and other art media. It is also very conservative. The art style changed very little over time. Much of the surviving art comes from tombs and mountains, giving more insight to the into the ancient Egyptian affairs. Afterlife belief. The ancient Egyptian language had no words for art. Artwork served an ex- essentially functional purpose that was born with religion and ideology. To render a subject in art was to give it permanence. Hence, ancient Egyptians art pottery portrayed in idealized and realistic view of the world. There was no significant tradition of individual artistic expressions. Science art survived a wider and cosmic purpose of maintaining order. नेक्स्ट हमारा है व्हाट इज इजिप्शियन आर्ट कॉल्ड. Ancient Egyptian art refers to art produced in ancient Egyptian between the 31st century BC and the 4th century AD. It includes painting, sculptures, drawings on papyrus, fancy jewelry, ivories, architectures, and other art media. It is also very conservative. The, the art style changed very little over time. Next हमारा है what are the three types of Egyptian pyramids. Types of pyramids. There are four different types of pyramids that we are going to visit. The different types pyramids are that we are going to see are the step pyramid, the bent pyramid, the red pyramid, and the great pyramids. ये तो हमारा आज का लेक्चर पिरामिड्स, हिस्ट्रिकल पिरामिड्स और पिरामिड्स की टाइप्स. Egyptians are called something.